Let's have a closer view of this product in detail. Here we're going to look at the Flash Furniture Brazos series outdoor chairs that are stackable and fully assembled when delivered. The seating is comfortable and provides a flex comfort material that's fade resistant and weather resistant and does not burn your skin in direct sunlight. This metal frame is constructed of a durable and strong alloy steel with a protective black powder coating that's also weather resistant. It's available in multiple sets and colors. Chairs are lightweight and the armrests are very comfortable. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.